dear aspirants, this is Dr. Saurabh Sir's class. Our contact number is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 98367930076. Our email ID is saurabhsirclasses@gmail.com. If you have any mathematical query, doubts, anything, please feel free to contact us. Then our team can arrange a doubt clearing session for you. After that, you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions, and our online classes. So that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations like our entrance examinations of ISI, CMI, etc. And you can join and our NBHM TIFR also. So please feel free to contact us if you need any help from us. Okay. Thank you guys. So now we are going to solve a mathematical problem which is appeared in the ISI MTech QROR MCQ section, and the question is telling us that in how many ways can 12 identical balls be thrown into 5 distinguishable boxes such that no box gets an odd number of balls? Okay. So there are 4 options of it. I have written it here. There are 10C4, 11C5, 5 to the power 6 and 6 to the power 5. So what can be done here? This is a very easy question and we are going to solve it. Okay. So now let us take this thing. That means our this question. Yeah. So since the balls are identical, we only need to consider the number of balls in each boxes. Okay. So let's denote the number of balls in each box as x1, x2, x3, x4 and x5. Okay. So since no box gets an odd number of balls, so our these all will be even numbers. 2a1 that can be written as 2a2, that will be 2a3, and that will be 2a4, and that will be 2a5. Okay. So we know that there are 12 identical balls. So our x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5, that will be equals to 12. So our these things will also equals to 12. So we can easily write that our a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4 plus a5, that will be equals to 6. Okay. So now this is a very well known classic star and bars theorem. So using this we can get the number of solutions as 6 plus 5 minus 1 by 5 minus 1. So that will be what? That is equals to our 10C4. Okay. So our 10C4 is the correct answer of this question, which is our option A. So again, I am telling that if you have any mathematical queries, doubts or anything, please feel free to contact us. Then you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Saurabh's classes. Okay. Thank you guys. Hope you understood. Thank you guys. Let's meet in the another question.